I just wanted to share that an experience. Today's the 24th of June, 2023. I'm in Tiruvannamalai, India, and there's some construction going on outside. But back in 2008, when I first came to Oroville, I had a particular dream. And in the dream, I was shown this paperweight. It's a glass paperweight. See? I've had it for a long time. I got it a long time back in a thrift shop in Omaha, Nebraska. Anyway, in the dream, I was shown this paperweight over Oroville, over the galaxy plan of Oroville. Oroville is laid out in a galaxy shape. I'll show. Only now, in the light of, increased knowledge about and discussion about the firmament and the nature of the earth as a plane, do I see this dream in a new sense? So, image which came from within. I don't find it hard to believe at all that we live under a firmament. I mean, there was also a time in 2008 itself. I was a student, and I was I was in an astronomy class at university. And this astronomy class was rocking my world like it was mind blast, because it took me into this space mentally where I was presented with a concept of the universe as ever expanding in space. Like that itself is mind blasting. And not only it's expanding, but it's expanding at an ever increasing rate of speed. Expanding like that. Like, what is logical or plausible about that? Because my mind wanted to go and be like, wow, it means there's an edge which is ever expanding. So that's one thing. And then the other thing, any concept of the universe, whether it's of, the globe model or the solar system spinning through space, which I used to love. I used to love to, refer to that animation like, wow, we're like spinning, and then we're spinning around the sun, and then the whole thing is spinning, and then I was like getting motion sick just thinking about it. But I thought, isn't that amazing if that's true? And I don't even feel motion sick? Actually, I didn't feel motion sick when I thought about it. Yeah. So it was never experienced in my body. It was only mental. It was only conveyed to me. But I started by believing it for sure. Now, when encountering all the other information about a flat plane, and also information about the toroidal nature of this plane, the plane, I don't even have to go, why call it flat, but it's a plane, okay? And this toroidal image, it makes a lot of sense to me. And anyway, all the concepts require transcendent space. Like even Nassim Haramein, he gave one example of a balloon blowing up with pennies on it, blowing, 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 blowing. And then he's like, but who's blowing up the balloon? Yeah. Creation, and it implies a creator. A creator would be defined as that force which exceeds and which is included, which expresses itself in its creation. So this is important for any concept. But it's just as plausible to me in a flat Earth or, plane, toroidal field, even levels of this plane and levels of toroidal field existing in a whatever, defined, dynamically defined border, non-border. But the point is that there is a transcendent which is expressed in the creation. So that's it. I wanted to just share that image that I had from within about, and I was also remembering this glass paperweight which appeared in my dream 2008 when I was in Oroville with the Galaxy Master Plan contained in it.